This statement seeks to inform the following public of the steps being taken to investigate, expose, and eliminate corrupt practices while reaffirming our unwavering commitment to ethical governance and justice for all. Despite existing policies and controls, fraudulent activities continue to surface in revenue collection. These fraudulent activities include underreporting of the collected fees, diversion of funds, issuing of fake receipts and permits, among others. While the county has invested heavily in digitization, our revenue collection system, it is quite unfortunate that some public servants continue to collude with members of the public to obtain permits through illegal means, whilst some are even unaware that they are being conned by these characters. Today, I'm here to announce the list of today I am here to name and shame them for stealing from the public and to hand over this case and many more still under investigation to the relevant authorities, the DCI and ESCC, to have them prosecuted and charged for their crimes. What they are doing is intolerable. This is Purity Kanini, Administration Officer, Joseph Martin Mutuku, Trade Officer, Mary Titus, Lika, Wycliffe Nzeki, Lika, Evelyn Wambua, Cashier, Jacinda Kidhuka, Solid Waste, Mary Ndenya, Esther Mutunga, Bill Hawamboi, Foebi Mbutu, David Witio Mutua, Sarah Katungwa Titus, Evelyn Ndanu Wambua, Helen Muendo, Cynthia Mumo, Charity Mbolu, Dorothy Nzioka Kasiva, Patricia Ndenya Mutisia, Jacqueline Musioka, Meshak Kiminza. All those are billing officers. Richard Muli Mandi, billing officer. Joseph Muli, billing officer. Marianne Bula, billing officer at Revenue, and Angelina Muindi, Revenue. We must shift the culture from one that demands corruption. We must build systems that reward honesty, not shortcuts. We must protect whistleblowers, not punish them. And thus, I urge you to support. It is a fight we must win collectively. The public must also do their right thing. When in doubt, seek clarification. We must stop supporting the culture of corruption and rent seeking. Ladies and gentlemen, I will briefly mention the matter of pending bills as advised by the Office of the Comptroller Budget in the letter dated 15th August 2025. Upon assumption of the office, I inherited the following: pending bill 4.2 billion, which we have strived to reduce through annual appropriations; KRA obligations in excess of 3 billion, which we have successfully completed. Thank you very much. Ningependa kusema hawa wafanyikazi wametajwa majina yao hapa. They are all suspended pending investigations. We have already gotten their names. We are going into depth to do more investigation. Na wengine, we have the facts, even from the system. They have been collaborating with people from outside. Mtu anaenda huko nje, anaambia mtu nitakupatia license, unapatiana pesa, unakuja kwa license in the hanging system, unaenda unapatiwa jina ya mtu mwingine. We have that information, we have that evidence. And I'm just telling my workers in Machakos County, please, wale wako na tabia ya kufanya hizo vitu, wawache kufanya hiyo maneno. Because we have bills to pay. We have salaries to pay. Pesa yote sasa ikienda kwa mifuko ya watu tutafanya nini? Watu hawachane na hiyo maneno ya kufanya vitu kama hizi. Tumefanya mpaka system log, na tukaona wengine wamelogiwa more than 10 times wakirudia the same thing ya kunyang'anya county pesa. Na tumetoa kutoka kwa ground, kuna wale wanatuma kutoka kwa ground, wanaletea wale wako kwa system, wale wako kwa system wanaongea na wale wako kwa back office. Sasa wanatoa zile hanging, wanachukua wanawekea watu wengine. Hiyo kitu haitaendelea Machakos County. We need to pull all our money in one basket. Thank you.
God bless.
What's a license? If a license yaku no yakishanua na wa receipt. We can na monundu at the end of the day. Toka to assist ya their license ila unenganie ni license. License yaku na receipt yaku na sendu ingine sio tunende yesiende ya